I'm going to share my screen. Yes, can you see the board? Yes, boys, can you see the board by?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so let's start with today's date. Today's date is 27th of April 2021. The day is Tuesday. This is the worksheet of simple and compound interest. The topic for the worksheet is simple and compound interest. That is your book exercise number 5C. Yes, beta.
I have a question. It was about the last worksheet. So
Hmm.
in the first question, we had this question that 15% of it was a profit, right? And we was given the selling price, right? So can we like
Hmm.
divide it all by 100 so we get like how much 1% is, and then just minus it by like 100 minus 15, we get 85. So can we just like
For
like
yesterday's worksheet.
divide by 85? So we're gonna get this answer, right? Is that correct?
Are you getting the same answer?
Yes, but it's just a different way.
But the method is different.
Yeah. It's
Okay, if
basically
you.
it's like
Hmm.
it's the we were giving 483, and it says like out of that 15% was profit. So what I did
Hmm.
is I divided it 483 all by 100, so it was 4.83. So
So that
one
was 1% percentage for 1%, and then you multiplied by
yeah
15.
yeah no, and then I multiplied it by 15, and then I minused it by the total initial because 15% was a profit. So I got the answer.
Okay, if you want to do in that way, you can.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so let's start with this worksheet. This is related to the simple and compound interest, exercise number 5C. And do you remember that there are only two formulas for simple interest that we have done in the class? Two formulas. One is for the simple interest, and the second is for the compound interest. Simple interest, one is the simple interest, and the second one is the compound interest. What is the formula for the simple interest? Simple interest is equal to PRT over 100. What is the P in the formula of the simple interest?
Principal.
P is for principal.
Yes.
What is R?
Rate of interest.
R is for rate of interest.
And
And
T
the
is
time? T is for the time in years. Okay, so let's start. The question is find the simple interest. The question number one. What is question number one? $300 at 7.5% for 5 years. Principal is given to you, rate of interest is given to you, and time is given to you. Yes, boys. How you will solve? Just simply write the formula. I is equal to PRT over 100. Who want to solve this question?
ma'am, can I?
Okay, then quickly substitute the values.
300 times 7.5 multiplied by 5 over 100.
Okay, do it and tell me the final answer.
Ma'am, it's 112.5.
112.5
Yes.
dollar. Yes, the second question. Abdul Rafi, go for second. Now here in this question, the time is given in months. We need the time into years. So how you will convert the 6 months into years?
6
12
divided by
divided
12.
by
It will be months will be 6 divided
0.5.
by 12. That will be
0.5.
0.5.
0.5 years. So time is 0.5 years. Substitute the values. What is the principal?
$770.
Rate of interest
16.
and the time
0.5.
divided by 100. And the answer is
61.6.
61.6.
61.6. Very good. Question number 3. Who want to solve question 3? Muhammad Ahmed Siddiqui,
Yes, ma'am.
solve the question 3, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Principal is given, rate of interest is given, but the time is in 15 months. So how you will convert the 15 months? 15
15
by
divided by 12.
12.
12, okay.
1.25.
1.25.
Okay, so Ahmed Siddiqui, you have to solve the whole question, beta.
Ma'am, then
I
I'm
is
going to write PRT
yes.
over 100.
Hmm.
668
Very good.
multiplied by 9.25
Very good.
multiplied by 1.25.
1.25 divided by 100.
100.
77.237.
77.23.
$77.23. Yes, boys, are you solving the worksheet on with me, or you are just looking at the screen? I'm asking to everyone. Are you solving the worksheet with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Getting
Yes,
the
ma'am.
same answer?
Yes.
Can we move to the next
Yes,
question?
Yes.
Okay. Question number 4. Yes, question 4. Hassan Abid has to solve. Muhammad Hassan Abid, mic is
Yes,
working?
ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
very good. Hassan, question number 4, beta.
Yes, ma'am. I is equal to PRT over 100,
Formula is I is equal to PRT over 100.
and
What is
two
given to you? Principal
interest
is
rate
given, rate of interest, and the time is 2.5 years. 2.5 years means
2.5.
2.5 years.
2.5 years.
2.5.
Okay, substitute the values here.
285 multiply by 8.5 multiply by 2.5 divided by
2.5 divided by 100. Okay, do it and tell me the answer.
60.5625.
Let him solve.
Ma'am, 60.6.
Beta, wait. Hassan Abid is solving. I just want to see he has the calculator or no. Whoever is solving the question. So you people just wait to
yes,
verify the
ma'am.
answers.
60.56
60?
0.56.
$60.56. Very good, Hassan Abid. Question number 5. Question 5, Arsalan has to solve. Muhammad Arsalan. Arsalan Abbas, you have to solve the question, beta. Muhammad Arsalan, you are present in the class or no? Noor. Is Noor here? Boys, are you present in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But where they are? Arsalan and Noor, can you give me answer?
Ma'am, can I do?
No, Zain. Let them do. Okay, then Daniel can solve. Muhammad Daniel, can you solve, beta?
Ma'am, can I do?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Okay, Muhammad Daniel.
Ma'am, we'll use the formula I is equals to PRT over 100.
Hmm.
Then we're gonna put the values 360
Very
multiplied by
good.
185 multiplied by 2 over
Multiplied by
100. 2
multiplied by 2. Okay.
over 100.
Over
100.
multiplied by 2 over 100. Very good.
Yes, let me.
Answer.
Yes, ma'am, I'm calculating it.
1,332.
1332.
Yes. Yes.
This is the answer for that. Question number 6. Abdur Rahman has to solve. Abdur Rahman, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is given to you?
Ma'am, the formula will be I is equal to PRT over 100.
Okay, rate of interest given, principal given, number of years given. Okay, I is equal to PRT over 100.
So it will be 150 into 8.
150 into
8 into
8 into 3.
over 100.
Okay, answer.
Answer 136.
36.
36. 26, ma'am.
Answer is
36.
36, not 26, Abdur Rahman. Answer is
Ma'am, I said
36.
36.
Okay, but the question is something different. What is the total amount? You have to find out the total amount. What is
Yeah, so ma'am, it will
this
be
is
principal plus interest.
very good. Amount, total amount is equal to principal plus
186.
interest.
So 150
So,
plus 36. And
186.
the answer will be 186.
$186. So read the questions carefully whenever you are solving the question. Just see what is the requirement of the question. Here the question is changed. The rate of principal was given, rate of interest was given. But the thing is, the question is, what is the total amount of money after 3 years? Total amount. You have to find out the total amount. This is the main question. So for that, first of all, we find out the interest, then amount will be principal plus interest. Very good. Thank you, Abdur Rahman. Then question number 7. Who want to solve question 7?
Ma'am, can I?
Ashar can?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ashar, solve the question, beta. Hassan, after Ashar you can.
Okay, ma'am. Question 7. Lindsay sold stationery to her family and her mother's friends. She deposited the $125 she earned in a savings account. The account earns 5.18% interest annually. If she does not deposit or withdraw any money from for 18 months, how much will she have in her account?
How much money she will have in account? That means that you have to find out the amount. That after this much time period, after 18 months, how much money she will have in her account. Okay, so first of all, can we write all the stuff, whatever is given to us? What is the principal?
Ma'am, principal is 125.
$125. What is the rate of interest?
5.18%.
5.18%. What is the time?
Ma'am, time is 18/12.
That will be
1.5.
1.5. So we have to find out the money, the total money. If she does not deposit or withdraw any money from how much will she have in her account? We have to find out the total amount after 18 months. So first of all, we have to find out the simple interest.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I is equal to PRT over 100. 125 multiplied by 5.18% multiplied by 1.5 over 100.
1.5 over 100. Answer?
9.71.
9.71. Okay, then this is the interest rate. Interest you have that
Ma'am.
after 18 months, then you have to find out the amount.
Yes, ma'am.
Amount is equal to?
Amount is equal to interest plus principal.
Okay.
9.71 plus 125.
125 plus 9.71 and the final answer?
134.71.
134.7. Thank you so much. Next question, Mubashir will solve. Oh, sorry, Hassan, then after Hassan Mubashir. Yes, Hassan. Boys, done this question?
Yes,
Question
ma'am.
7?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Hassan. Now the question is changed. Find the balance of account. Find the balance of account means you have to find out amount and earning compound interest annually. Compound interest annually. The question is related to the compound interest. It is not the simple interest. So what will be the formula for the compound interest, Hassan?
Equals P 1 plus R over 100.
Hassan, A is equal to principal into 1 plus R over 100 raised to
Ma'am,
power
can I
n.
do this one?
Okay. Yes, Mubashir, carry on.
Yeah, so compound interest equals to P over 1 plus R 100 multiply power 10. So 7,000 principal value. I put a bracket and plus 1 plus, and then 2 over 100, 0, 2, 2, and 4 years power 4. So
Okay, so calculate all the values and tell me the final answer.
7,000 multiplied by 1 plus 2.
2 over 100 raised to power 4.
7,577.025.
Zen, stay quiet.
Ma'am, 7,577.025.
7,577.0.
77.025.
Can we write 03?
Ma'am, it's 5, so it's, yeah, yes. Ma'am.
Yes, we can. Thank you so much, Mubashir. Yes, question number 9. Abdul Rafi. Abdul Rafi,
Yes, ma'am.
solve the question 9, beta. What's the formula?
A is equal to P 1 plus R over 100
1 plus R over 100
power
raised to
n.
power n. Okay. Substitute the values.
7,000 multiplied by 1 plus 4 over 100 raised to power 2.
Okay, calculate it.
Okay, I'm just
What's the answer, Abdul?
7,571.2.
$0.2. Thank you so much. This is the answer. Yes, boys, are you getting the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
The last question, question number 10. Who will solve that question? Who has not done? I can see that many students have attempted the questions today. Zayan Kaleem did not attempt. Yes, Zayan, can you? Zayan Kaleem, can you solve the last question, beta? Abdullah Subhan,
Yes, ma'am.
Abdullah, can you solve, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Move to question 10. Give me a second. Yes, read the question.
Mark deposits $2,000 into an account that pays an interest rate of 3.5%. Compounded annually. He doesn't add or remove money from his account for 4 years. How much money will Mark have in 4 years?
Okay, how much money? It means we have to find out amount. So the question is related to the compound interest. And all the stuff, whatever is given to you, just highlight it like this, how I highlighted, and then tell me what is the principal here. Yes. Abdullah, what is the principal? 2,000. Rate of interest?
3.5%.
3.5. And the time?
4 years.
4 years. Because we want to find out the amount only. We have to find out how much money will he make in 4 years. So what will be the formula for amount here?
Ma'am, same formula.
Same formula, P into 1 plus R over 100 raised to power n. R over 100 raised to power n. Substitute the values. 2000, 1 plus 3.5 over 100 raised to power 4. Yes, what's the answer?
2295.
2295 or 94?
95.
Yes, boys, but which answer you are getting?
Ma'am, I'm getting 2295.04.
Okay, 95.04. So we can write the same thing. This is the final answer of the question number 10. Total 10 questions are there in the worksheet. We have done with all. So did you complete all the questions?
Ma'am, can you go
Yes,
to question
ma'am.
6?
Question number 6. Okay. Where is 6? Here is the 6. We have to find out the amount in question 6. So boys, we have done almost the whole revision. Only one exercise is left, that is money exchange. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will finish with that. And then on Thursday, you have a test of chapter number 5. Remember that on Thursday, this Thursday, you have a test of chapter number 5 because we are going to end with all the revisions of the each and every exercise by tomorrow. So you can give the test of chapter number 5 on Thursday. That will be the last day before the Ramadan holidays.